What you doing, buddy? Have you had some birthday cake? Huh? Have you had some birthday cake? Yeah. Is it good? Don't worry about dropping it. It's okay. Mama will wash it off. Is that good birthday cake? You ate the whole piece except for that one little piece. You ate the whole thing. Yeah. Look at your hands. You gonna eat the rest of it? What are we gonna do with you? You ready to get down? Okay.